Welcome to our in-depth video guide, which will demonstrate how to repair and seal the exterior of a riveted tank that is leaking from corrosion or damage. First, lower the liquid level of the tank to below the repair area, or alternatively, if possible, stop the leak using Belzona 9611 ES Metal Leak Repair Sealing Product. Next, dry the area and mark out the section to be repaired. A handheld preparation tool should be used to prepare the surface down to the bare metal, taking care to remove all rust, loose corrosion, or loose substrate. Ensure thorough preparation between the rivets to achieve uniform metal surface treatment for optimum adhesion. Use Belzona 9111 cleaner degreaser or an alternative acceptable cleaner degreaser to remove surface contaminants. The substrate is now clean and has a rough surface for maximum adhesion. Tape out the application area so a neat finish can be achieved. Belzona 7311 is a fatigue-resistant adhesive designed for structural bonding applications. Depending on the service condition, other Belzona products can and should be used. Set up your mixing area for Belzona 7311. In line with the instructions for use document, open both component units and mix 3 parts base to 1 part solidifier by volume. Mix thoroughly until a uniform color is achieved. Apply the Belzona 7311 to the prepared area, wetting out the substrate with a firm bristle brush to ensure deep penetration into the surface profile. Make sure to apply material in between the rivets to achieve full contact and a consolidated repair. Apply a further layer of Belzona 7311 to build up the required thickness. Using a Belzona applicator, apply the remaining product onto the repair area. With a firm bristle brush, finish the repair and consolidate any areas that are left uncovered or uneven. Remove the masking tape as soon as the repair is complete. By following these steps, you can repair and seal a riveted tank exterior using Belzona. Please follow the instructions for use document for guidance on cure time and back to service time. Consult your local Belzona distributor to discuss the Belzona materials that best fit your service conditions.